Hello guys, for another video. This video is completely for beginners. If you already know what is each branch in demand, you can leave this video from now. So welcome to my channel. This channel is about branch in demand business and how you can make money from it. If you're interested in this field, smash that red button and hit the notification bell to see my newest videos. For the new people, my name is Saad, a full-time marketer. I work on many fields in internet such affiliate marketing, dropshipping, and also I just start learning the cryptocurrency field. But in this channel I focus on and upload daily videos about tips and tricks help you to increase your sales and branch in the demand business. Also, you can check my Gumroad store, the link in the description. You can find there a lot of designs with tags ready to upload on your shop. And now let's get started. So first, what is each branch in demand? Branch in demand is a process where you work with a marketplace site. So to customize white label products like t-shirts, bags, hoodies, mugs, etc. with your own designs to sell them on a pre-order. So you don't need to pay for the products until after you actually sold it. So there is no need to have a stock or anything like this. You just create good quality designs, and when one of your designs was sold, the marketplace you work on it handle the full process from printing to shipping, also customer service, and you earn a commission based on the product was sold. This commission you define it, and some marketplace they have a specific commission, you can change it. Branch in demand business divided in two parts. The first part is you work like a designer, one or multiple marketplaces like Merch by Amazon, Redbubble or TeePublic, etc. There is a lot of this kind of websites. They generate a good monthly traffic, and also they handling everything from the printing to the shipping. You just focus on your design's quality and keywords, because all of these marketplaces have a huge competition. They have hundreds of artists like you. And the second part is you can have the full control of your branch in demand business. You can create your own shop, use Shopify or WooCommerce, and add the designs and products you want, and you must collaborate with a printing company to print your designs and ship them. And there is a lot of companies provide this service like Printful and Printify. They make your business easier in printing the design on the product you sold and shipping the product worldwide. Also, you don't need to have a stock or products, because those companies provide to you these products. You just focus on your shop and marketing, and the advantage of having your own shop is you can build your own brand. So now I will answer a few popular questions about branch in demand. First, can I start branch in demand with $0? Yes, absolutely you can, and branch in demand is one of few businesses online that no required money to start. But if you want to build your own shop and brand, you need a budget for that. Can I upload my designs to different platforms? Yes, you have the freedom to do so, and recommend to upload your designs to every platform available. That increase the chance getting more sales. And I already talk about a software help you to upload your designs on different platforms with the same title and tags with one click. The link in the description. How much time I need to be successful in this business? There is no time, just work harder and discipline every day, and you will see great results after. And I recommend if you want to have quickly sales, you must work on trends. Do I need marketing and pay traffic in this business? Yes and no. If you want to work on marketplaces like Redbubble and Merch by Amazon, you don't need to advertise your artwork, because these websites have a huge monthly traffic, so you have a big chance to have organic sales. But if you want to promote your designs, that's help you more to be successful in this business. But if you have your own shop, you need to advertise your designs, because no one know you and know your brand. So you need time and money to have the customers trust. Do I need to have specific niche or general niche? You have the freedom to choose. I personally work on every niche I see it profitable, which is the best branch in demand platform. I recommend if you just start this business to work on Redbubble and TeePublic. Those two websites are simple and have a good monthly traffic. how I can find ideas from my branch and demand business. You can use a lot of methods to find great ideas can generate a good income to you. So I suggest to see my oldest videos about finding juicy ideas. Also, you can work on the trends if you want fast daily sales. And of course, branch and demand business can change your life forever if you take it seriously. In the end, this is a business, need focus, discipline and time to see great results. So guys, this is the end of this video. I wish you benefit from it. If so, give it a like. If you have a question, you can ask it in the comment section. Also, you can enjoy us on our Facebook group. So don't forget to give the video a like, subscribe to the channel and see you in the next video.